My name is Rachael Goddard. I'm the Sustainability and Environment Manager for the University of Waikato. My main objectives at the university are to engage people in sustainability and science and education, to get behaviour change, and also to have the university as a leader in sustainability. I started off learning horticultural science, sustainable land management, and then that led to environmental science. So my research and interest was waste. I was drilling bores into landfills, testing heavy metals and leachate. I was looking at the impact on estuaries and fish. And then that led on to social behaviour in regards to waste and landfills and plastic, and people's response, their perceptions, their barriers to not doing certain things. I think it's really important using different media to communicate, because students, staff and the community all engage in different ways. Having students involved in the programs as part of their coursework is really helpful as well. We've got recycling stations across the university and the students designed all the artwork for them. Every year we conduct waste audits at the university and we get students involved as part of their coursework. So essentially we pick a faculty or a building, we collect a day's worth of waste, the students categorise and sort it, and then we write a report and look at how much could be diverted or reduced or composted. And as part of that we realised we had thousands of coffee mugs and water bottles going out into the waste. So I subsidised stainless steel drink bottles and stainless steel mugs for staff and students. And so when they purchase one, they can go back to the cafe on campus and get 50 cents off a hot drink. The United Nations General Assembly developed the Sdg Goals in 2015, and New Zealand was a signatory. There's 193 countries that signed up. Part of my role recently was to map all of our research, papers, funding, publications right across the 17 SDGs. Even if I have one student come up to me afterwards and go, I'm never going to use a plastic bag again, I just think, yes, I had an impact on one person, and then maybe others as well.